Guys, and I'm Jacob, and I'm gonna play Hungry Shark Evolution today. I never played this, but I've seen videos, so yeah, I'm sorry if there's any background music. Sorry, not music, I mean background noise. It's the clock. I'm sorry. So, play. Wait for it to load. And yeah, hopefully it loads. What? Okay, so let's go. So all you need to do is eat fish. I see. Wonder what gold fish are. Come here, turtle. Ooh, they give you more money. Nice. Money! Ah, that hurts. Oh no. Ooh, what's this? Yay! Mission unlocked. And there's a person. Yeah. Dinner is good. I love my dinner. And hopefully we won't do that bad. Cause yeah, I just started today. And yeah. My shark, where did that come from? Ooh! Yum. Come here, sharks. I eat you. Ah, this guy's big. Shit. So, yeah. And jellyfish, huh? Jellyfish. Oh, we already found 3 of them. Nice. Yeah, let's go to the deep oceans. Ah, mine. Okay, so. Come on. You fish. Where you go? I see, it's more difficult when you get here, cause see? Barely more fish. Eat the puffer. Ah, she puffed. Darn it, we died. Yeah, we died, basically. We starved to death. Yeah, I don't like using gems to continue because I don't say it like cheating, but I feel it's fun to keep on going and going and going by using gems. And we're already level 3. So, how do you get this? So yeah, we need to save gems apparently for this guy. Yeah, so let's upgrade the bite. And okay, so we have low battery and yeah, okay, don't mind that. Yes, I play hockey and stuff. Yeah, play hockey and basketball. Those are my 2 favorite sports. I train. So yeah, one more game. Hopefully the battery doesn't die on us. And yeah, let's see how we go. We have 15% left. Yeah, let's go. This time I'm gonna try to avoid going over there because less fish. And yeah, sorry if there's any background noise. That's Jeremy recording because I'm at his house and I'm upstairs, he's downstairs, he's recording another video. Yeah. I'm gonna be recording mostly tablet games and mobile games. Yeah, I already recorded BTD battles, if you like that. And yeah, let's eat more fish. Ooh, wonder what's down here. There's a sign, huh? There's a sign. Ooh, daily reward. What the fuck is this? Yay! I love daily rewards. Money. Ah, fucking puffer fish. What did it say daily? Something got locked? What the fuck is this? A spring ray? I don't know. Now I need a bigger shark to Eat that. That hurts though. Swim to the deep oceans, boy. Swim. Oh yeah, so I think Jeremy just won something, because he's just like, oh, I won, yeah. You probably heard him. Yeah, so I can't talk right now. Yes, see, smash something, yeah. Don't know what he's talking about. And pufferfish, don't, fuck you. Go to the top. No, Stingray, don't. Fuck you, Stingray. Yeah, I'm sorry about the swear words. Just can't control it. Not can't, I'll just... Some of them, like, roll out of my mouth like it's nothing. But, yeah. If you don't like that, tell me in the comments. And, subscribe for more content. Again, sorry about the background noise, about the clock and stuff. And yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Subscribe and tell us what games you like. And oh yeah, one more thing. I have